Imagine running your laundry business without constantly worrying about power supply or rising electricity costs. That's exactly what we set out to achieve here in Ajah, Lagos State. For this laundry business, we designed a solar power system specifically to support their essential day-to-day operations. We installed a 4 kVA 24 volts hybrid inverter paired with 6 kWh 24 volts lithium battery and 8 600-watt solar panels, giving them a reliable, renewable energy solution. The system is designed to power their essential loads, including lighting, washing machine, fans, their circuitry system, an energy-saving iron, and also their pumping machine. Every component and material used was carefully selected based on the business energy requirements, because at Luxsun Electronics Technologies Limited, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Another successful solar installation completed. Whether you are running a laundry, office, shop, salon, restaurant, or home, we can design a solar system tailored to your specific energy needs, ready to reduce your dependence on unreliable power and take control of your energy. Send us a DM or contact Luxsun Electronics Technologies Limited today.
Brand new watch, got no hands. Tell him my jet got no plans. Wheels up. Soon as I land, you can go leave. Got crypto in the dry, yes indeed. Cartier frames, I won't even glance at you. Nah, blue Lamborghini, like a new Pikachu. I got them all waiting in, watching what I'm gonna do. They watching, trying to see the play, trying to steal all my moves. The vision is clear, the numbers are crazy, my phone's always buzzing, yeah. My life is a movie, my girl is a star, my brother's my cousin, for real. Life is a blessing. You did what you make it, was here for a minute, but feel like I'm faking. I tell him look close, cause the history's making. Book for a year, man, no time for the faking. Ain't book me. It's me and my brother, we going insane. He produced the beat and he made me my chain. And she held me down, so she got the new range. I'm money and power, we changing the game. They send me a check and I spend it the same.